Good afternoon. Welcome to daily currency update from the currency desk. On the last trading session of the week, that is on Friday, we saw that the US dollar gained a lot of ground against the Indian rupee. This was mainly being the global sentiment that reflected in the USD INR movement, as we saw the dollar index rally up to above 83 levels in the international markets. But yes, later in the day, as we had the US GDP data coming out, the dollar index corrected again and we had relative strength in most of the other global currencies based on the dollar selling. So today this same thing is being reflected against the Indian rupee, as we are seeing the Indian rupee strengthen slowly and steadily against the US dollar. Already we have seen a 20 paise correction against the against the Indian rupee for the US dollar. Currently, we see a strong support for the US dollar at around 54.30 levels, and from therein we could see a slight rebound in the currency rate. There are a lot of monetary policy decisions from various major central banks across the globe, including the US Federal Reserve, the ECB and the RBI monetary policy. So based on this, we could see slightly cautious trading until these monetary policy statements or decisions are announced. Yes, currently based on the safe haven buying, we could expect the current rally in USD INR to continue up till 55.20 levels in the spot market. Coming to euro, we had a lot of support for the euro against the US dollar in the international markets, as we had the US GDP data coming in a lot below expectations. Based on this, we are seeing the euro trade strong today. If we have a few better than expected economic data, like the German import price index data that is due to be released today, we could see the euro rally against the Indian rupee as well further. But yes, there is expectations of an interest rate cut from the ECB monetary policy, which is due this week, and based on this interest rate cut, we could see the euro lose its current gains in the coming days. Currently, we recommend a sell in the euro against the Indian rupee for the near term. Coming to pound, we have seen the pound rally a lot in the past 1 month against the US dollar. Yes, this is slightly a retracement that it is showing, or a technical rebound that is showing as compared to the recent major fall that it has had against the US dollar. Currently, it is trading at nearly 2 months high against the US dollar, and we could see the current rally extend up till 84.90 against the Indian rupee. Yes, we had a better than expected economic data, that is the housing price index data on Friday, and based on this we are seeing further support for the pound. Coming to the Japanese yen, due to the recent weakness in the dollar and the dollar index, the currency that has gained the most is the Japanese yen, and we are seeing more than 1% of rally in the Japanese yen against the US dollar. Similarly, against the Indian rupee as well, we are seeing the Japanese yen rally. As of today, we saw an upside opening of around 60-70 paise for the Japanese yen against the Indian rupee. At current levels, we could see the technical rebounds or retracement extend up till 56.20 levels in the spot. Thank you.